Hi friends, my name is Yash and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video topic is roadmap of AWS. So what is AWS? So AWS is Amazon Web Services. So I will give you a proper roadmap of AWS. So let's start the video. So first topic is what is cloud computing? Okay. So what is cloud computing? So in this topic we want to learn why we using the cloud, what is a cloud computing, and why we using the cloud, what is a different type of issues in physical servers, and how the cloud computing is resolving that, and why we using the cloud in today's era, and we want to learn about some different type of cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and GCP. GCP is Google Cloud, okay, Google Cloud Platform. And we want to learn about different services like AIS, SaaS, and PaaS. So what is the difference between these three services, and what is infrastructure as service, what is a software as a service, and what is a platform as a service? Okay, so we want to learn that as well. So second topic is introduction to AWS. So we want to learn about what is AWS, and yeah, uh, how to create a AWS account, and what is the different type of AWS certifications. Okay, so there is a many type of certifications like cloud practitioner certificate, associate level certificates, professional level certificates. So you can explore that as well. So and you can explore different type of AWS services. There are many services in AWS like 200 plus services, so you can explore that as well. So third topic is VM instance, sorry, VM creation. Okay, so how to create VMs in AWS like Windows VM, Linux VM, Mac OS VM, Amazon Linux VM, like that. So we want to learn that as well, and we want to learn about PM file and PPK file. What is the difference between PM file and PPK file? Okay, so we want to learn that as well. So fourth topic is EC2. EC2 is a very much important topic in AWS. EC2 is stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. Okay, so we want to learn about features of EC2, what is EC2, and different type of EC2 instance. Okay, so there are many EC2 instance type like Amazon instance, Ubuntu instance, Red Hat instance, CentOS instance. Okay, so there are many type of instance type, so you can explore that as well. And what is a EC2 families? Okay, so we want to learn that as well. So fifth topic is regions and availability zones. Regions and zones. We want to learn these two definition or concept because these concepts are very much important to learn other AWS services. Okay, so we want to learn about that as well. So next topic is EBS. So EBS is stands for elastic block storage. So why we use elastic block storage? So in EC2 instance we have uh, a small amount of storage like 8 GB in Amazon Linux. So we want to provide some provide some storage using the EBS. Okay, so we can provide EC2 instance. Sorry, we want to provide some storage using EBS. Okay, so we want to learn about features of EBS and what is EBS volumes. Okay, so EBS volume is very much important, and how to attach and how to detach the EBS volumes to our EC2 instance. Okay, so this is a very much important, and we want to learn about snapshots. So we can create a volume and we can create a snapshot from the volume. Okay, so we want to learn that as well. So next topic is load balancing. So load balancing is like uh, distribute the load. Okay, to our instance. Okay, so we want to learn that as well. In load balancing, we want to learn about microservices load balancing. Okay, because this is a very much uh, because this is very much important for our interviews and for our knowledge. Okay, so we can definitely check that as well. So next topic is auto scaling. So auto scaling is very much important because in auto scaling, if our web application get more users and there is more traffic on our web application, then the AWS will increase the instance like in horizontal manner or a vertical manner. Okay, so there are two concepts like vertical scaling and horizontal scaling. Okay, so we want to learn that as well. What is we want to learn advantages of auto scaling and how to create a launch configuration. Okay, creation of launch configuration and different type of policies of auto scaling. Okay, different type of components of auto scaling. Okay, so next topic is Amazon AWS VPC. AWS VPC. So VPC is stands for virtual private cloud. Okay, so virtual private cloud is used for create a own virtual private cloud. Okay, so VPC is not a big thing. VPC is just providing isolation to our resources. Okay, like EC2, like other S3, other type of. It provides isolation to our resources. Okay, so we want to learn about VPC essential VPC networking. What is a security groups? What is a VPC internet gateway? Okay, so what is a VPC pairing and endpoints? We want to learn that as well. And creation of NAT network network gateway like. Okay, and what is a pricing of Amazon VPC? So we want to learn that as well. So next topic is Route 53. Okay, Route 53. So Route 53 is used for domains. Okay, so Route 53 is a DNS service which provides by AWS. So Route 53 provides us different type of domains for our website or web application. So it is a important topic. So we want to learn that as well. So next topic is IAM. IAM stands for Identity Access Management. So why we use IAM. So I give you one example. Like I have a I have some AWS resources are running in my AWS account. Okay, so uh, my friend asking me to use AWS, but I doesn't want to give some accesses on my AWS console. Okay, so I will create a AWS user, and I will give some permissions, like only see the AWS console. He cannot create EC2 install. He cannot create S3 buckets and put some data on S3 buckets. Okay, so I will give some restriction to the my friend. Okay, so that is a use of IAM, and this is a very much important topic to learn AWS. Okay, so we want to learn what is the user, what is the group, and what is the role. Okay, and the credential report. Okay, and how to create users and how to create groups. Okay, so next topic is S3. So S3 is a object storage bucket. Sorry, it is a object storage service. Okay, so what is S3? We want to learn about managing buckets, versioning, and what is a bucket policies. Okay, and how to deploy our static website in S3. Okay, S3 is just a storage bucket. We can deploy any type of data on our S3 bucket, and S3 bucket doesn't have any storage limit. It is unlimited storage bucket. Okay, so we want to learn that as well. So next topic is RDS. So RDS is stands for Relational Database Service. Okay, so it is a only database service. There are two type of database, like SQL and non-SQL. In SQL we have example like MySQL, and non-SQL we have many examples like MongoDB and DynamoDB. Okay, so we want to learn about the managing RDS database, setting up the atomic backups, uh, configuration of a database engine, and launching the RDS instance. Okay, so we want to learn that as well. Uh, Next topic is a CloudWatch. So CloudWatch is a service. CloudWatch is a monitoring service. Okay, so we can monitor our resources like EC2 instance and other services using the CloudWatch. Okay, so we can set alarms, we can monitoring logs, see the graphs, see the graphical interface, and collecting and track the metrics. Okay, so we want to learn that as well. So next topic is SNS. So what is SNS? So SNS is a simple notification service. Okay, so our so I will give you example on SNS. So our EC2 instance have our EC2 instance get more traffic, or more users are using our servers, like so the SNS give our give some notification on that on our email or in SMS format. Okay, so it will give our notification to see our EC2 instance, or provide some more more resources to the our EC2 instance. Okay, so we want to learn about the what is publisher and what is subscribers, and creation of topic. Okay, and subscribing to the topic via email. So next topic is Elastic Beanstalk, EBS, B and S. So EBS is a PaaS service, okay, platform as a service. So in a PaaS service, we want to just give a code to the EBS, and we doesn't want to uh, create a infrastructure for that, like create a EC2 and that as well. So we want to create infrastructure for that. We want to just give our uh, application code to the EBS, and EBS will handle our application. Okay, so we want to learn what is the difference between EC2 and Beanstalk, and what is advantages of Beanstalk. Okay, and deploy web application using Beanstalk. How we can deploy our web application using Beanstalk. Okay, so next topic is serverless computing. In serverless computing, we have one service like AWS Lambda. Okay, AWS Lambdas. Okay, so AWS Lambda is a very much famous and very much important service to our interview purpose and knowledge purpose. Okay, so AWS Lambda are used for serverless computing. So we want to learn about the what is the serverless computing and advantages of serverless computing. Okay, so how we can create a Lambda, how we can invoke the Lambdas. Okay, and how we can deploy our application to the lambdas. Okay, so serverless computing is just we doesn't want to create servers to deploy our application. We want to just give our source code to the lambda, and AWS lambda will uh, AWS lambda control will control our application, and if our uh, if our application get more users or more traffic, then AWS Lambda uh, will control the will control our applications. Okay, so many startups are using AWS Lambda, so we want to learn about the AWS Lambda that as well. And these are the some topics, and this is a roadmap of AWS. So that is for the today's video. So if you if the if you like this video, do share this video, and give a thumbs up to the this video, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Okay, and thanks for watching.